my dear children of class 2. So children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, in our EVS book, we begin with a new chapter. Okay? And the name of the chapter is Clothes We Wear. Okay? In early days, okay, when there were no clothes, how people used to cover their body? Yes, they used to cover their body with leaves, right? Slowly, they changed from leaves to using the skin of the animals. They started skin of the animals as their clothes. But do you think it will be comfortable? No. So what they did? Let's see next. Okay? Why do we wear clothes? Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and sun, and also from insects, right? Do you know how clothes are made? Clothes are made with fibers. Now, what are these fibers? These are long, thin like thread used to make clothes. Fine? Fibers are of two types, natural fibers and man-made fibers. So, fibers that we get from plants and animals are natural fibers like cotton, jute. And from cotton plant we get cottons and the clothes are made cotton clothes, right? And from jute plant we get jute out of that from the stem of the plant, and jute bags are made and many more things out of jute, right? And also wool and silk. So from where do we get wool? Yes, we all know we get wool from sheep, goat, isn't it? And then out of sheep we get wool, and from wool clothes are made. Like what? Like pullovers, sweaters, scarves, gloves. Fine? Now, from an animal fibers are what? Silk. We get silk from silkworm. Fine? And from this silkworm we get silk, and from silk the materials are made like saris, kurta pajamas, scarves. Right, children? Now, man-made fibers. Fibers that are made by people are called man-made fibers, like nylon, rayon, right? And the type of clothes that are made from rayon and nylon. Now, children, we will read from the book. From EVS book, we'll do the reading. Clothes we wear. Fine? We wear clothes to cover our body and to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, wind and sun. We wear different kinds of clothes depending on the season, the place we live in, the work we do. So, in different season we wear different types of clothes, isn't it? In different places also, like in hot area and cold area, and what type of work we do. We wear clothes accordingly. So, according to our work, we wear different kinds of clothes. Now, fibers. From where do we get clothes? Fibers are thin hair-like materials used to make clothes. Fibers are of two types, natural and man-made. natural fibers. We get natural fibers from certain plants and animals. Fibers that we get from plants are called plant fibers. Examples are cotton and jute fibers. We get cotton fiber from the seeds in the fruit of the cotton plant. Cotton is used to make dresses like t-shirts, shirts, trousers, shorts, etc. We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep us cool. Right? Jute is a plant fiber that we get from the stem of the jute plant. Jute is used to make bags, sacks, ropes and mats. So here you see this is a cotton plant. So you will see here white cotton. So then from the seed of this you get cotton. So from this cotton plant we get fiber cotton and then clothes are made, cotton frock. Okay, then this is what jute. From the stem of the jute we get jute fiber. That is what? Plant fiber, right? Jute bags. So fibers that we get from animals are called animal fibers. Examples are wool and silk fibers. We get wool from the fur of sheep, goats and rabbits. Wool is used to make woolen clothes such as sweaters, pullovers, scarves and caps. Woolens keep us warm during winter. Silk is a shiny fiber produced by silkworms. Silk cloth is soft and is used to make saris and dresses for women as well as shirts and kurta pajamas for men. So here you see sheep. From the fur of the sheep, you get what? The animal fiber, okay, and it is used to make what? For sweaters, the woolen clothes. And there's another fiber we get from silkworm, that is silk fiber, and out of that scarves, saris, kurta pajamas are made, right? Now man-made fibers. Fibers that are made by people are called man-made fibers, like nylon and rayon are examples of man-made fibers. These fibers are also used to make different clothes. So children, today we'll do only up to man-made fibers, right? So kindly read what we have done. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye children.